Welcome to my channel GearShiftAuto.Parts. What to look for in a used engine before buying? Thinking about buying a used engine for your vehicle? Smart move if you know what to look for. In today's video, we're breaking down what to check before buying a used engine so you don't end up with a costly mistake. We are GearShiftAuto.Parts and we have got your back when it comes to quality used engines, transmissions, and other auto parts. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful car tips and part buying advice. What to look for in a used engine? Alright, let's get right to it. When you're looking at a used engine, here's what really matters. Mileage. Lower mileage usually means less wear. At GearShift, we focus on low-mileage engines to give you better long-term value. Compression test. Always ask for compression test results. A healthy engine should show even compression across all cylinders. Leaks and cracks. Take a close look for oil leaks, coolant seepage, or any visible cracks around the engine block or heads. Oil condition. Milky or sludgy oil? That's a no-go. It could mean internal damage. Fitment and compatibility. Not every engine fits every vehicle. Make sure to double-check your VIN, make, model, and year, and don't worry, our team is happy to help with that. Looking for a tested, cleaned, and ready-to-go engine or transmission? Visit us at GearShiftAuto.Parts and we'll hook you up with exactly what you need. Engines get all the attention, but your transmission is just as important. Here's what to check. Fluid quality. Clean, pinkish fluid is what you want. If it smells burnt or looks dark and gritty, that's a problem. Shifting performance. Ask about shift smoothness. A used transmission should shift clean with no jerks or delays. Housing condition. Make sure there are no cracks or damage on the outside casing. All our transmissions at GearShiftAuto.Parts go through multi-point inspections, get drained, cleaned, and are ready for install when they hit your doorstep. By the way, if this is helpful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on parts, tips, and all things auto. Got questions? We're ready to help you get the right part for your car. Call us toll-free at 855-475-5657. Email info@GearShiftAuto.Parts. Or head over to GearShiftAuto.Parts and start your search today. Without wasting time anymore, get it right the first time with GearShiftAuto.Parts.